We're back. We're back on this one. I don't know what happened. um, this one's literally easy. This one easy. Imagine if I get 100, I will literally just cut off. Imagine if I get 100, I will literally cut off the video. Like, bro. Left, right, left, right. Up, down, up, down. That's how you do it. Left, up, down, right. Down, down, up. Down, down, right. Down, up, right, up. Right. Why every time I press, it just thinks bad? What, bro? At least just give me a good percentage, I guess. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. What the hell? What happened to him right there? This is crazy. Oh no. Oh no. Let me do it again, I guess. I guess this one, I guess. But here we go. Beep. 6, 7.
Take your weapons.
I'll be school, right? Bobby back. Bobby boy. Wait. Hold on. I don't know what happened, but yeah. I'm gonna go back. Sorry. Left, right, left, right. How you do it? Up, down. That's how you do it. Left, up, down, right. Down, down, up. Down, down, right. Down, up, wait. Don't give me 100%, please. I beg you. Or else I'm gonna cut off the stream. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, but 3 bats is crazy. It's wild. So I guess I'm gonna do easy. Like, we need to get a high score on this. But if I get a level P on this one, I swear.
Beep. Bye. Beep. That's how you do it. Boom. Boom. That's how you do it. Left, up, down, right. Down, up.
No, no.
Ooh, ooh, ah. Oh, oh, ooh.
Oh shoot, dead.
Back up.
Oh shoot. Here we go. We all know we're gonna get a 90, of course. Are you done? Ma'am, are you done? Are you done? What just happened? Something happened. I don't know what happened. Three, two, one. We do without the voices. Oh shoot.
Damn.
You're Rick, right? I'm Nate. And I do not appreciate you killing my men. Also, when I sent my people to kill your people for killing my people, you killed more of my people. Not cool.
Please don't make it still go this time.
You have no idea how not cool that shit is.
Alright, here we go. Let's do this. Oh, thank God, thank God.
You are so
What? Oh my gosh.
you are.
But this time we need to be like the one with easy.
You see, Rick, whenever no matter what, you don't mess with the New World Order is this, and it's really very simple. So even if you're stupid, which you can understand. Here it goes. Pay attention.
Oh my god.
Today was career day. We invested a lot. You know who I am and what I can do. You work for me now. You have shit, you give it to me. That's your job.
No.
Now I know very big, mighty big, nasty pills, but swallow it.
Don't get distracted.
You most certainly will.
Please, I don't want to get distracted.
You ruled the roost. You built something. You thought you were safe. I get it. But the word is out. You are not safe. Not even close. In fact, you are pegged. More pegged if you don't do what I want. What I want is half your shit.
Here we go. Let's do this.
And it'll you can have sooner or later.
Bye. Bye.
This
Oh
is the
shoot.
way of life now. The more you fight back,
Beep
the
bong.
harder it will be. So if someone
Wait.
knocks
Hold on.
your
Oh shoot.
door,
What was that?
you let us in. We own that door.
Oh my god!
And we will knock it down. You understand? What? No answer?
Beep bong bong.
You don't really think that you were going to get through this without being punished?
Oh
now,
my
did
gosh. You know what? I'm gonna go normal.
You? I don't want to kill you people. Just want to make that clear.
I'm about to go normal.
I want you to work for me. You can't do that if you're dead, now can you?
Yeah, I'm about to go to normal. You just make me want to mess up.
Oh shoot. I forgot to normal.
Killed
Shoot.
people, a whole damn lot of them, more than I'm comfortable with. And for that you gotta pay. So now
Beep. Oh shoot.
I'm gonna beat the holy hell.
Bobby Bobbo. Bobby Bobbo. Do 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 do. Do. Da 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 da.
This
Bobby Straw. Bobby Straw. Bobby Straw.
is Lucille. And she is
What?